Today our chapter is computer network. Regarding the chapter computer network, the first concept is communication. What is communication? It is a process in which two or more people share their knowledge and information among themselves. Communication consists of two parts, number one sender and number two receiver. Who is sender? The one who sends information to the receiver is known as sender, and who is receiver? One who receives the information from the sender is known as receiver. So these two parts combinedly make the communication. Now what is computer communication? That also involves further parts. The number one is sender computer, the device that sends data, instructions, or information is known as sender computer. It can be a computer or a mobile device. Other one is receiver computer, the device that accepts data, instructions, or information is called receiver computer. It can also be a computer or mobile device. Other concept for the computer communication is communication channel, the medium on which the data, instruction, or information can travel is known as communication cable or communication channel. It can be cables or satellites. Another one is protocol, the set of rules to be followed while the communication among the devices are called protocols. So computer communication involves the four parts. Number one, center communication. Number two, receiver communication. Number three, communication channel. And number four, protocol. Now this is the diagram that shows you how the computer communicate with each other. The center computer sends the information to the receiver computer through a communication channel which is followed by some protocol. So I hope this diagram is making you clear the concept of the communication channel. Now what is computer network? A computer network is a collection of computers and devices connected by communication channels. Now what is the need for the network? Why the network is required? It is required to share the data and information sharing, to share the hardware and the software, and to transfer funds. These are the need for the network regarding the computer network. Now what are the types of network? There are four types of network: LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN. The first one is LAN. It stands for Local Area Network. Number two is WAN. It stands for Wide Area Network. Number three, MAN, stands for Metropolitan Area Network. And number four, PAN, it stands for Personal Area Network. So there are four types of network. Now what is the before starting network hardware, let me introduce you the concepts of the behind these type of network. The network which is established within a closed building is known as LAN. A network which spreads globally around the world is called WAN, and the network which is established in a city that is called MAN, and the network which is in a personal area that is called PAN. Now come on the next topic, and that is network hardware. All networks need network hardware to function. To establish computer network, following hardware devices are required. Number one, network interface card. And what is network interface card? It acts as a mediate between the computer and the physical media, for example, printer. Another one is connector. A connector is a device that joins the two networks together. Another one is cables. A cable is used to connect computers and other devices on the network. So the computer, so the network hardware requires the three things. Number one, network interface card. Number two, connector, and number three, cables. Now next one is types of connector. Number one type is hub. It allows to connect multiple computers to a single network, that is called hub. The diagram is there to make you clear the concept of the hub. A network is established by the hub. In the center, there is a hub, and the computers are connected to each other to the hub. Another one is switch. It receives the data from many directions and forward it to destination. It is also a type of connector in which the data receives from many computers connected from the switch and it forwards to the destination, that is switch. Another one is router. A router is a device that connects multiple computers together and transmits it to the correct destination on a network through a process called routing. For example, it is used to connect your home, that is LAN, with the internet, which is called WAN. This is the concept of router. Other one is network architecture. Architecture means layout of the network. What is the layout of the network? That is called the network architecture. In concern of the architecture, the first topic is peer-to-peer network. What is peer-to-peer network? It is a network in which two or more computer systems are connected together in order to share the resources is known as peer-to-peer network. We can say in the simple language that each computer is connected to each other computers and each computer is there to share the resources, to share the data to other computers. That is called peer-to-peer network. Another concept is client server network. A client server network is a system where one or more computers called clients connect to a central computer named a server to share or use resources. Means it consists of the two parts, client and server. Now, what is server? A server is a computer that provides resources, data, services, or programs to the other computer known as clients over a network. And what is client? A client is a computer that accesses a service made available by a server. So the main computer that provides services to the other computers is known as server. The other computers which get service from the server are known as client. And this network is called client server network. Now next topic is network topology. What is topology? In that concern, the first topology is bus topology. A bus topology is a topology for local area network in which all the nodes are connected to a single cable. The cable to which the nodes connect is called a backbone. Now in this, what are nodes? The computers that are in network are known as nodes. So in the bus topology, all the computers or the nodes are connected through a single cable, and that particular single cable is known as backbone, and this is bus topology. Another one is star topology. A star topology is a topology for a local area network in which all the nodes are individually connected to a central connection point like a hub or a switch. As you can see in the figure, in the center there is a hub, or you can also say that can be a switch also, and all the computers are connected in the form of star to the hub or switch. So this is called star topology. The other concept is ring topology. The ring topology is a network in which device connections create a circular path. Each network device is connected to other devices like the points on a circle. As you can see in the figure, there are computers connected to each other in the form of ring. In this topology, all the computers are connected to each other. The computer which gives the data is called server, and the computer which receives the data is called client. And this is ring topology. Now further the topic is protocol. Protocol is the set of rules. The set of rules is called protocol. Under the concept of the protocol, the number one term is HTTP. The full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the fundamental protocol used for transferring files on the internet. When we use when we use the internet and transfer the files on the internet, the rules followed is known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the fundamental protocol that is used for transferring the files on the internet. Another protocol is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. The Transfer Protocol is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between a client and server on a computer network. FTP is based on client server model in which the main computer that gives the data is called server and other computer that accepts the data is called client. So it is based on the client server model. Other one is TCP IP. Full form is Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. A set of communication protocols used for the exchange of information over the internet is known as protocol. Thank you.